Do you know that you can make 2,000 up to 5,000 Ghana cedis every month in Ghana? Just mowing grass for people. No office, no degree, no experience required. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start a landscaping business in Kumasi without any experience. Welcome to Ghana Business TV, where we talk about real money, real business, and real opportunities in Ghana. If you are a new subscriber, like this video and comment below if you are interested in starting a business in Ghana. Landscaping simply means taking care of people's outdoor spaces, cutting grass, cleaning compounds, trimming flowers, and making the place look neat. And in Ghana, especially in cities like Kumasi, this service is always in demand. Here is why this business works. Many houses have big compound and the owners are very busy. They don't have time to cut their grass. And this service is a repeated service. It means you can earn every week or every month. Let me break down how you can get your first landscaping client. First, go out there, talk to your neighborhood, get your first house, approach the security man and ask him about the house owner. Then you propose your service to him. Then you offer him a simple service like cleaning the compound or cutting the grass at an affordable price at the beginning. Now that you define the strategy you will use to get your first client, what are the necessary tools you need to start your small landscaping business? As you can see in this video, these are the tools you can use to start for now. The first tool you need is the cutter. As you can see, this is the cutter, then the cutlass to weed the overgrown weeds, then a small mower. This is Craftsman mower, you can see in this video. Then if you have a motorbike, this can also help. This is my motorbike for the starting this business, and later on when you start getting clients, you can save money small and you buy a boboya or tricycle and you start offering your service to places that are far from your neighborhood. These basic tools can cost you at least 3,000 to 4,000 if the mower is involved. But at the beginning, I would advise you to start with your cutlass, your cutter, your rake, your broom, and you start cleaning people's compound, or you start offering the flower cutting service to your first client. Then from there, you can start saving money and buy your machine in 3 months, 4 months, depending on how many clients you have. And this machine can cost you at least 4,000 to 5,000, and a brand new one can cost you 8,000 to 10,000 Ghana cedis. Let me break down your pricing strategy. As a beginner, you can charge your client affordably. It means in Kumasi here, a small loan like the one I'm showing you here can cost about 200 cedis to 300 for the first cut. Then if the client accepts you to come on monthly basis or weekly basis, you now price it down. If it is 300 cedis, you can deduct 50 cedis discount for your client. Then from there, you can get a referral from him and then you build on it. Imagine you are charging 200 cedis per client and you are on monthly basis and you have 5 clients. You are now at least 1,000 Ghana cedis per 2 weeks, or 2,000 Ghana cedis if you get 10 clients and each is paying you 200 cedis, depending on the size of the grass. You can charge up to 300 cedis, 400, depend on the size of the compound. Let me show you the strategy you can use to grow faster. For your first client, make sure you offer a quality service to him. From there, he can give you another client. Then make sure you take video or pictures of your work. Then you start posting it on your YouTube account, your Facebook, your TikTok account. Then you can quickly grow faster by getting new clients. If you are serious about starting a real business in Ghana, this is one of the easiest way to start with. Comment guide and I will send you a full step-by-step breakdown, or message me on WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe to Ghana Business TV. Start now, but start small.